I did this hunting in Palembang, Yogyakarta on the 28th of October 2003. Her name is Evelina. She come from Sweden. She
Mbak Nabila, sorry
vocation.
for interruptions. Can you setting on your camera because I have to identify which one are you in the photo. Mbak Nabila yang mana ini?
Sorry Miss, tahu. Soalnya jaringannya kurang.
Oh, nggak stabil. Nanti saya nggak tahu Mbak Nabila yang mana. Oke.
Nanti setelah saya presentasi mungkin saya bisa on cam.
Oke, ya. Oke, you can keep going on. Ya, silakan continue.
Her name is Evelina. She come from Sweden. She profession in Jogja with her lover Dominic and John. Their plan to profession for 1 month. But with his cousin, he has Lambo and he likes chicken feet. When in Jogja, people can accept him well and also very happy to be in Jogja. But when in Jogja, he does not go to the beach because he does not like the beach. Impression dari hunting boleh my impression for hunting causains is very pleasant because it can add a new insight about how foreign national feel when visiting Jogja. That enough for me, thank you.
Okay, in this picture, which one of you wearing a black or behind? Which one?
Gimana, Miss?
Which in this picture is you?
Yang pakai kerudung bagus.
Please answer in English. I am wearing the gray hijab. Are you wearing a gray hijab?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, thank you, Nabila. So what is one question? What is your feeling after you finish the project?
Very happy, Miss.
Very happy. But what is your feeling when the first time you are hunting foreigners? The first time you are start hunting. So what is your feeling? Okay. Did you get it? What is your feeling when you are process during the hunting? I think this is not simple, right? The process. So how many times you got rejected?
8 minutes.
Three times?
8.
3 times? How many times?
8 minutes, Miss.
18? Seriously? Oh my God. Okay. So what makes you having motivations to find again after rejections. What motivates you? Apa yang memotivasi Mbak Nabila after you got rejections?
Sorry, Miss, putus-putus.
Oh ya udah, nilainya juga putus-putus. So be careful. I mean the final test also. Jadi nggak ada final test ya, final testnya ini dan video gitu ya. So you have to prepare as well. Oke, thank you, Mbak Nabila. You can stop the presentation and then we have to continue with the partner. Thank you, Mbak Nabila. Yo, yang lain prepare ya. Buat santai tapi juga berusaha untuk ngomong bahasa Inggris karena ini hal yang simple banget guys. Yuk Mbak Tias yuk lanjut ya. Hati-hati untuk sinyal karena ini ujian jadi pastikan kalian berada di fasilitas yang maksimal gitu ya. Hati-hati sekali kalau ada tugas-tugas seperti ini. Come on, let's go Mbak Tias. Lanjut. Satu tim ya, in a one group Mbak Tias. Oh yeah, don't forget to sharing with us what kind of discussion or topics did you having conversation with them. Jadi diskusi apa sih kalian gitu ya. Karena tadi sisa waktunya masih 6 menit ya, masih sisa banyak. So itu bisa jadi peluang kalian menambah informasi ke kita, nambah nilai juga gitu ya. Jadi di sini akumulasi ya nilainya. Setelah turun di lapangan, you have to confirm, you have to prove with us, you have to share what kind of information did you gathered in the field when you hunting foreigners. Mbak Tia sudah ready atau belum? Kalau belum kita skip, kita lanjut ke kelompok 2, jangan terlalu lama. Jadi satu tim bersiap ya. Jadi setelah temennya nanti langsung giliran partnernya gitu. Kita berurutan, berpasangan ya. Nanti tim berikutnya kita ada Muhammad Adli sama timnya ya, sama anggota tim. Gimana Mbak Tias? Ready?
Bentar,
Apakah
Miss.
Mbak
Masih
Tias?
belum bisa share screen.
Oh, oke dicoba. Ini sudah saya aktifkan multiple ininya ya apa? Multiple phone atau lagi. Oh ya nih loading. Masih loading. Eh. Kalau nggak tadi bisa barengan sama Nabila atau satu laptop gitu terus nanti gantian sebelahan untuk presentasi gitu. Bisa satu device terus tapi yang presentasi kan beda orang gitu. Kalau nggak mau ribet ya. Jadi barengan satu tim gitu nyari satu tempat pakai satu PPT terus nanti gantian-gantian ngomong gitu. Itu juga bisa biar gampang, biar cepet. Tuh, tapi kalau misal lagi posisi jauh-jauhan memang sulit sendiri-sendiri ya. Sudah ready? Mbak Nisrina, Yumna. Are you wearing a black hijab at that picture, Mbak Tias? Are you
Yes,
wearing?
Miss.
Okay,
We
you
are
are
wearing like hijab.
wearing black hijab. Okay, so I can identify which one are you. Jadi aku tahu, oh ini Mbak Nabila, ini kan kita ini ya jauh-jauhan jadinya nggak hafal, saya belum hafal. Oke, gimana Mbak? Bisa nggak? Kayaknya ada kendala ya. masih kesulitan untuk share screen. Apa pinjem dulu aja nanti ya? Kita skip dulu waktunya soalnya jalan terus nanti tambah sore, tambah siang. Jadi nanti Mbak Tias belum presentasi karena kendala jaringan mungkin seret ya, belum. Ya wes dikei tulisan belum. Yuk, lanjut dulu aja sih Mbak Tias kayaknya ada kendala. Kita lanjutkan ke Mas siapa yang kedua ini absennya Mas Muhammad Adli. Mas Muhammad Adli ada enggak di sini nih? Timnya sama siapa?
Present. Saya satu tim sama Mbak Karayu.
Mbak siapa?
Karayu.
Ada di absen berapa? Hafal enggak Mas?
Oh,
Enggak,
enggak, Bu.
enggak apa. Saya tak tunjukin absennya biar ada catatan. Tim 2 wes. Mbak siapa? Ayu.
Karayu.
Di nomor
Karayu. 32, 37.
Absen 32, Bu.
Oke, tim 2. Jadi siap-siap habis ini Mbak Karayu ya, ready ya. Sekarang Mas Adli dulu. Oke, silakan.
Okay, wait a second. Let me just. Okay. Is it? Can you see my presentation? No. Oh, udah. Wait a second. Okay, now my presentation, is it already on the screen or not?
Okay, we can see the presentations. Yeah, you can go on.
Okay, my name is Muhammad Fatur Rahman, and here I'll just maybe telling some stories about my experience on hunting foreigners. Okay, first thing, plan and commencing. Exactly after the order were issued by you, exactly. Okay. Me and my group mate were planning to do hunting of foreigner, and that was planned on 18 October and was commenced at 19 October. Of course, week before that, we've been drafting the question that probably that we're going to be asked to the foreigner. Okay, right at the 19th October, we commencing our plan after choosing our destination. There is Prawiro Taman, Malioboro, and Kraton. But we've been trying on the first two place. There is Prawiro Taman and Malioboro, but the results are nothing. We cannot find any foreigners there. There's just local, and we cannot find any of it. So my group mate having some silly ideas like why don't we walk from Malioboro to Kraton? Like, okay, I thought it's not that far, but you know, using Google Maps, and we are not that, how you do call it? We are not that know of the place, and we just turn around and around, arriving at that place exactly like 30 minutes on the heat of sun, like how you feel like in Yogyakarta during the summer, or maybe like it's pretty darn hot, I guess. But yeah, we uh meet our foreigners right there in the Kraton. Okay. Yeah. Okay, we exactly got some problem that we've been facing. That is, we are too eager or scared to approach the foreigner because we think that they are need to go somewhere and need to do something else besides helping strangers, giving a strangers their times. Like have you ever feels like you wanna do some interview with them and yeah, just looks like oh they need to go. They are a tourist and then their time are scarce. Like we are too scared to ask them like hey sir, hey, or maybe like, hey, do you want to help our assignment? Help us on this assignment, conversating with a foreigner, or but like, there's how many chance are we talk? We think perhaps we got some. I don't even wanna tell about how I got rejected, but there is some foreigner that you know when I asked them, hey, do you wanna help us? Yes, but I can't do any longer. Maybe just one question. Can you imagine one question? How much minute I can get with with just one question? Yeah, like that's the part where I'm kind of not that depressed but stressed. Like, yeah, how do I make them wanna help me on my assignment? Yes, problem. Okay, foreigner nationality. As far as I doing this assignment, I never. For me, it's just for me. Okay. Maybe any of my friend have met with any foreigner from the USA, the New Zealand, Australia, or maybe UK. But I don't know. Maybe God playing some. No, I don't want to call it. But maybe it's just fate that I didn't meet any native. Like any native foreigners. Like the foreigners that I met mainly came from Europe. Like Dutch, maybe, or Germany. Like that's the part where I kind of stressed too. Like, oh like, please, there is someone from the USA or even from the UK, please can just help me. I mean, like, doing this kind of competition, doing this kind of assignment already giving a hard age, and then plus I need to find someone from the native country like USA or UK. Ah, come on. I know. It's just kind of stressing. Okay, the next conclusion. This assignment surely is important for our English learning study because we can actually talk with someone who are speaking in this language too, especially if they are native or if they are from English is their first language. They are speaking English from born and something like that. Okay, that will be my presentation. Yes, that's all.
Okay, thank you, Muhammad Adli. Can you show us the picture of which foreigners do you have to have conversations? Maybe man or a
Oh,
girl or women?
sure, but it's on my YouTube. Oh, wait a minute.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I forgot to ask them to take a picture with me. So
Okay. So how about the video?
wait a
Did you already submit it?
Yes, of course. I
Okay.
already submitted on Saturday.
Okay. So you already submitted. It's okay. Don't forget to put the picture in your presentations. Yeah, maybe you can re-upload for the presentations. And don't
Is
forget
it
to
okay to re-upload
yeah, it's
the
okay.
assignment? I mean,
Yeah.
oh, okay,
Please complete
okay.
about the proof. Which one of foreigners did you have to take a conversation? Um,
Oh.
so how many times you got rejected when you
Uh,
finally find
to be
some?
honest, man, I don't even want to talk about it. Like
Mm,
remembering about it, just give me, like ah, just give me a trauma. Like
it's traumatic. It's make you disappointment, but I think there's so much lesson that we don't give up in any chance that we have to finish any kind of challenges. Yeah, we have to face all the challenging. So finally you can finish it, right?
yeah,
In the
finish
last
it.
minute. In the last minute. Okay,
Finish.
that's it. The meaning of the hard working. I really wanted to you have all, guys. So disitulah sebenarnya esensinya sih. Kita nggak butuh bule yang hebat, kita nggak butuh kalian itu keren dapat gimana. But how you finish it, how you struggling about it, how you overcome some challenges and anything, how you solve your problem itself with your team. That is the skill that you have in the future, guys. Thank you so much, Adli. Finally, you can finish the job as well. Thank you. Okay,
Okay, thank you.
you're
Okay, so
welcome.
I don't need to show my pictures like this. I
Yeah,
need
maybe
to.
you can re-upload. Okay, and don't forget to check again, recheck about the video with your team already submitted or not. If there is a problem, I will confirm to you guys, or it cannot be open. Maybe you can re-upload or else. So I have to check again. Okay, thank you so much. Now we have Karayu.
Okay, okay.
After Karayu, we have group 3, team number 3, Amalia Dena. Amalia Dena and the partner for the next group, please be prepared. Okay, now we have Karayu.
Next, I, Karayu Puspa, will present my experience of hunting. Yogyakarta Village is one of the leading cultural destinations in Indonesia. As a Javanese cultural center with a rich history, the Yogyakarta Village attracts foreign tourists who want to understand Javanese cultural heritage and tradition. Interview with foreigner tourists at the Yogyakarta Village can provide valuable insight into their perception of Javanese culture, their experience
Sorry,
during
Mbak
their
Karayu.
visit, and their expectation for cultural
Wait,
tourism destination such as the Yogyakarta place.
Mbak Karayu, please stop it first.
Throughout this interview,
Hello, Mbak Karayu. Hello. Hello.
yes, Miss.
Please, only tell us about the place not reading the presentations. So I went to Yogyakarta Palace to find a foreigners. Udah gitu aja cukup. You cannot explain about what is Yogyakarta Palace or etc. I think this is not necessary. Nggak
Oh,
usah
Miss.
diceritain ulang. Disingkat aja. Satu halaman ini bercerita apa, satu kalimat aja. I found or I did hunting foreigners in Yogyakarta Palace with Adli gitu aja. And I found a foreigner's name from gitu-gitu. Simple aja. Nggak usah dibaca ya. This is not reading, but this is conversation. Nanti nilainya berbeda ya. Esensinya not reading skill, but you have to act conversations ya. Harus dibuat sendiri. Oke, silakan. Dibuat simple aja, Mbak. Jangan dibaca ya. Do not reading. Do not reading. You have to practice. Ayo, come on. So, oke, langsung aja turisnya mana? Bulenya siapa? Saja.
Next, foreigners profile.
What kind of
Okay,
foreigner?
for the first foreigner, her name is Laura. She is
Okay.
from Swiss. She vacation in Yogyakarta for 7 days.
Okay.
I interviewed her about cultural difference, famous star, favorite food in Indonesia, and the weather. My impression for her is that she is a good person, humble, funny, attractive, and interested in tourism in Indonesia.
And then what kind of did you information from her about favorite food? What is Laura favorite food? You can tell us. And what kind of
Um,
weather gitu. Apa isi topik discussnya langsung diterangin aja. Laura favorite food is the culture, dia dari mana, Swiss culture-nya kayak apa. You have to inform to us about the topic that you discuss gitu. So, apa favoritnya si Laura? Silakan.
uh, her favorite food is fried noodles.
Fried noodles. And then how about
Yeah.
the weather in Swiss right now? Please explain to us and the cultural in the Swiss. You can explain to us.
Uh,
Did you ask about the weather, right? So what is the weather in Swiss when you asking to Laura?
Indonesia so
Okay.
in Swiss, the weather is so cold,
Okay.
and in Indonesian, it's so hot.
Yeah, it's different, right? Hot and cold. Yeah, hot and cold. And about the cultural, what is the differences between Swiss and Indonesia?
perbedaan budayanya di sini sama di sana tuh gimana? Karena orang saya di Jogja tuh
Come on, this is about your future, your nilai, your score depend on your effort. Come on, Karayu. What is the cultural difference between Indonesia and Swiss? As you have discussed with Laura. Apa nih bedanya di Swiss? Karena kan mendiskusikan topik nih bilangnya. Jadi bedanya apa nih?
Is many difference about culture and religion.
Okay. In Indonesia has different religions. And how about in Swiss? How about in Swiss?
isinya gimana? Itu yang pertanyaan kamu.
Oh, Swiss is
Did you ask about this, Karayu? Did you ask about cultural differences?
so many people in Swiss don't have religion
Or don't get
or
religious?
atheist.
Oh, they don't get religious. Okay,
Yeah.
thank you so much. And then the impression, the impression. How are your feeling after you finish on the project?
My impression for her is that she is a good person, humble, funny, attractive, and interesting in tourism in Indonesia.
How was your feeling after you finish the project? How was your feeling? Are you sad or excited or finally relieved? Udah selesai gitu ya. Or happy or maybe not really satisfying. How was your feeling?
I'm very
Mhm.
happy meet her.
Okay, very happy to meet the foreigners. Okay, thank you so much, Karayu. Please learn harder again about English ya for the next chapter for your future. Don't forget to always learn about English. Okay, you have to learn harder again and again. Okay, thank you, Mbak Karayu. You can end the meeting. End the meeting and the presentations meeting bubar semua nanti ya. Okay, thank you so much. So next we have Amalia Dena. Sama timnya siapa ya? Timnya Amalia Dena ambek sopo ki?
My team Karelia, Miss.
Nomor berapa? Ingat nggak? Karelia 38. Iya.
Ya.
Jani ya? Ya. Gue dengerin Jani. Yo, Amalia yo, kemana yo? Let's go. Let's go. Mhm.
My screen see on the monitor, Miss.
Remove spotlight. Yo, Dan, come on.
Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Magdalena Alwita. I want to present about hunting forests in Jogja. Again, this is my trip. I go to Yogyakarta is 2 days because in one first day I'm not get the foreign because I get headache, so I choose to rest in Malioboro, and then I decide to uh, find foreigns in another day. So I get foreign in November, 1st November. Then my destination is in Jalan Malioboro. In Prawiyotaman, I'm not get foreign because in this day it's Wednesday, so to the foreign is
It's
not.
not any tourist
Yeah,
days.
yeah,
Okay. They
just
are coming
little.
weekend, right?
Yeah, so I decide.
Sometimes juga weekdays.
So I decide to
And then
I decide to move in Jalan Malioboro
okay, you move to
because I
another
think
location.
in Malioboro is many of bule.
Okay, in Malioboro you find
And
some foreigners there.
yeah,
Okay, tell
this
about
is
them.
this is Mr. Gary and her family. Actually, they with his doctor,
Oh,
two doctor, that I'm conversation with Mr. Gary and her wife. They are from.
Sorry, this
They are
this girl with the black dress is a daughter, not a wife, not Mr. Gary wife.
wife. That
Okay.
is
He said his
not
wife.
with they with his doctor too, Miss.
Okay.
But in back camera.
Okay.
Uh,
She
uh,
a girl or man? The daughter is a girl. Sorry. Yeah. And then
girl and man, girl
oh.
and boy. Yeah.
And what are
Then
what are you discuss with them? What kind of
I get a conversation with his husband because his wife is not good in English. So I think I think Mr. Gary is not from Belgium for genuine because her English his English is so good, but her wife is not good.
Okay.
So but so
Yeah.
I choose to make a conversation with
Live.
Mr. Gary.
Okay. What topic?
Mr.
What
Gary,
topic?
Mr. Gary and her family, um, they tell me that they from Jakarta,
Oh.
with Jakarta, Wonosobo, Semarang, Borobudur, etc.
They
With
had to trip around the town in Indonesia from Jakarta,
and then
and then
arrive in Jogja uh, in this day in
oh,
afternoon. So
okay.
this is first day them in Jogja.
Okay. How long they
Yes.
have visited Jogja?
They have plan in Jogja is around 2 weeks
Yeah,
in here,
2 weeks.
and then
Right.
they continue to trip in Bali.
Okay.
Then like after Bali, they go his country.
Oh, they back to
They
their
did-
country. Yeah, they
back to the country,
okay.
and then in this moment, his wife is wanna buy brand luxury,
Yeah.
but brand luxury like Hermes, LV, like that. But I tell them that I'm sorry, miss, in here we not have a brand luxury because we just have Zara, H&M, like that. And then uh, uh, they wanna know what big mall in Jogja. So
Yeah.
and I tell them that we have Pakuan Mall, and then his wife is wanna
The
um,
and want to check
show them the maps.
Oh,
So
she
they
wants
have
you to show the directions to Pakwon.
yeah
Okay.
because they plan go to Pakuan with taxi,
Yeah.
so they wanna know about the direction, and
Okay.
then they ask me about favorite food in Jogja, like what is the food in Jogja is not spicy because in Belgium they not um, eat spicy food. And then I tell that you must try gado-gado. What is gado-gado? I tell that this is a salad with a peanut sauce. Is it spicy? Yes, a little bit. I tell them,
But you can
but
request not with the chili. Yeah, you can request
yeah.
spicy at the peanut
Yeah.
sauce.
Terus them like they are like okay, I wanna try. It's interesting. Terus habis itu
Okay, 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes left. 2 minutes. 2 minutes left. Lagi.
and then oh I tell them that we in Jogja we have Gunung Kidul, Miss, right? I ask them that are you like a beach? Yes, we like beach. It's in Jogja. We 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 wanna go in Pink Beach, but
You love
but
because in Komodo.
they wanna go in Pink Beach, but in Jogja not have. So I showed them that Gunung Kidul have some beach, and then they wanna know how to go in Gunung Kidul Beach. So I tell them that you can go with your tour guide, but it's far from here. It's around 1 hour from here. Terus and then they are so interested and make a plan to go to Gunung Kidul.
Okay, maybe you can comment about the rent a car. You have to rental some car to get to the location.
Yeah. They have a tour guide with a car, Miss, in
Okay,
hotel.
so I think they are the rich people with the
Yeah, very rich people.
rich people with excellent job because his wife want to shopping some luxury brands, and I think Hermes there is no store official in Jakarta, only in Jakarta and Surabaya. Yeah, I think Jakarta sih di Grand Indonesia apa di Mall Indonesia. Okay, thank you, Amalia Dina. The time is up. So the last conclusion, what is your feeling after you finish the project?
I'm feeling when first year when I applied now foreign, I'm feeling unwilling, Miss, when I wanna make a conversation with them, and uh so nervous in the first conversation because
First
this
is
is the
nervous.
first time.
Okay, after
This
that,
is first time.
after finish, you still nervous.
Not in just in first conversation when
Okay,
I introduction with them, and
okay.
then
Finally, you can.
I enjoy, and then I
Thank
enjoy
in the last.
after until the record is stopped. Mr. Gary still wanna make conversation with me.
Still having conversation after
Yeah,
the
just
recording.
little,
Oh, just a
just
little
little
bit.
bit.
Just a little chit chat and
Yeah,
having
chit chat.
more than info. I think this kind of people need some information about tourism, I guess.
Yeah. I think
Ya,
they
I need more information. Ya, ini yang maksudnya laki ya, beruntung dia bisa diajak ngobrol banyak hal karena emang lagi posisi.
very nice. Mr. Gary very nice.
Posisi memang cari info sebetulnya dia, makanya kita info seneng banget ya. Thank you so much, Amalia. Ya, you can end the presentations ya.
PPT-nya langsung ke Karelia ini, Miss.
Oh ya,
Jadi
wes.
saya langsung.
Ya, geser ganti Mbak Karelia wes. Ambil jadi satu ya enggak apa-apa sih. Nah, ya maksudnya beda PPT gitu loh. Satu laptop wae. Nek meh gampang ya.
Okay, introduce. My name is Karya Rinjani. Here I will present an assignment about hunting foreigns. We went on foreign hunting trip on Saturday, 28 October 2023. We from around 3 o'clock in the afternoon to Malioboro, and the second destination was Prawirotami. And to Malioboro again.
Okay.
This is Mrs. Jasmine and his boyfriend. His boyfriend name is Mr. Pin from Holland, London.
Okay. Holland kok London? Yakin Holland from London?
Mrs. Jasmine from London. From Holland.
Yakin
Mr.
Tom Holland
Pin.
ini artis Tom Holland. Ya Mas Spiderman juga Tom Holland kali namanya. Okay, it's okay. Maybe the same with the similar name. Okay, what topics did you discuss about Jasmine and Holland? What are you discussing? Discuss apa sama si Holland?
About a hobby. And
Hobinya Holland apa? What is Holland hobby? Tell us.
Cooking.
Yeah.
His hobbies.
Yeah, his hobbies is cooking. And then what kind of information about Holland? Tell us. Share with us. Apalagi tanya lagi sama Ulan.
They love to travel. They have
Oke.
been to many countries.
Mhm.
They are in Jogja for vacation. They
Oke.
love to go to temples, visit Malioboro and other beautiful places in Jogja.
Mhm.
They really like the temples in Jogja because they are beautiful and unique. Their
Hmm.
favorite food here is fried rice and some market snack. Mrs. Jasmine has a hobby cooking. She likes to learn new dishes. They will soon celebrate Christmas and not celebrate it in Jogja. They
Hmm.
go back to their home country and celebrate with their extended family.
Oke.
Reason to be happy in Jogja. Yang what makes them happy in Jogja is that they think it is comfortable here and the atmosphere is very warm. The food is delicious and the people here are very friendly to them.
Okay, so these are the impression of them about Yogyakarta. The food, the weather, and the people. And then any information from them. How about your feeling? Amel Karelia, how about your feeling when you first time start to hunting them? How many times you got rejected? And how you to motivate yourself?
After I feeling a combination of nervous and enthusiasm and
Enthusiasm. Okay, you're excited, but at the same time, you are so nervous. So mixture feeling
yes,
in my body. I cannot control it. How about
yes.
the ending? How about the ending? Is it going smooth or you are not really satisfied or satisfying about the project finally? How about the ending? How about your ending conversation, your ending project? This is
I
so
I
Mhm.
smooth.
Okay, it's going smooth, ma'am. Going to smooth and nothing problem much happen ya. Jadi lancar aja, ma'am, santai gitu ya. Oke, thank
Yes.
you. Thank you so much. Karelia dan Amalia Deni. Tim 3 tercatat. Terima kasih, you can end the
Want to presentations or experience for hunting for news.
This what place, what locations? What location you hunt the foreigners? Tell us. Aku langsung tanya, langsung Gendis jawab. Dan nggak lama, kasihan nanti nggak serak jam 3 masih ada kelas. What is the object, tourism object that you finally find the foreigners? Yo, next, tunjukin aja sambil cerita.
Taman Sari, Miss. Aduh.
Ya, next kalau ada gambarnya tunjukin sambil ditunjukin slide-nya gitu. You can show the slide and then you can tell the story. I found the
Okay.
foreigners in Taman Sari, ma'am, gitu. Lu tunjukin, terus habis itu lu cerita gitu aja, biar cepat. Nah, gimana ya? Ya, langsung.
The location that's my team and fish for hunting for Ignis were Keraton, North Square Yogyakarta, and Taman Sari. But in the end, we got for Ignis in Taman Sari.
You finally found in Taman Sari ya, Gendis ya.
Yes.
Eh,
Yeah.
Okay, show us about the foreigners also handsome. Oh my God, kenapa tinggi sekali? Tolong. Who is he? Tell us about this handsome man. Tell us.
Okay, the next slide is the foreigners profile. But before I'm explain the profile of foreigners during the interview, I asked several topics include favorite food, hobbies, and so on. Next, I explain about the foreigners profile. The foreigners, my name, his name Stephen. We both come from
His name is Stefan. Cuk buru-buru tenang. His name is Stefan.
We come from Germany. He
From
come to
Germany.
Indonesia with his wife,
Yeah.
and also like traveling to several countries. He
Okay.
plans travel in Jogja for about a week by visit several tourist destinations such as Taman Sari, Prambanan Temple, and Malioboro. During her visit to Jogja, she said that the people were open-minded, kind and humble, so she enjoyed visit Jogja. He also taught me about his favorite food in Jogja, which is fried rice. In addition, he also recommended his country specialty, namely beef. According to him, beef is very good food in his country. In addition, while in Jogja, he rents a motorcycle for traveling. He knew the city of Jogja from social media, Instagram. That's confirm.
How long he visited Yogyakarta with his wife? How long he visited Jogja?
One day.
Only one day. After that, what plans of the city?
Yes.
They want to visit. Ya, kok cuma sehari? Abis itu dia mau kemana lagi? Aduh.
For Prambanan Temple and Malioboro.
Oh, one day only in temples. Okay, and then after that, what is the last project? Do you finish it with happy feeling or unsatisfying or sad or what is it? How was your feeling after you finished? This is the first or you found another than Stefan or only Stefan you found it? You found only one, this one, this foreigners, or you find another's?
Only one.
Only one. Okay, only Stefan. So how was your feeling after you finished this project?
I'm very happy.
Very happy. Okay. Thank you so much. Candice. How about the wife? So how to interview with the wife? Gendis, how about the wife of Stefan? Apakah partnernya Gendis yang tanya jawab? Apakah Fahira yang interview wife-nya Stefan?
No.
Nggak mau diwawancara ceweknya?
I just introduce my Stefan.
Oh, only interview Stefan. Oh, berarti nggak mau diwawancarain si istrinya atau istrinya nggak nongol, cuman dia cerita aja kalau sama istrinya gitu ya?
Istrinya nggak mau diwawancara.
Oh, nggak mau. Ya, ngomong dong, maksudnya itu loh. Kok ada istrinya, dia nggak mau kali, Bu, gitu. Oke, you can share with us. Jadi nggak usah takut-takut, ya cerita aja. Ya, next yuk. Selain gendis siapa nih Fahira? Yuk, Fahira yuk. Next. Fahira nggak kelihatan yang mana nanti. Aku nggak bisa nilai nanti. Fahira yang mana? Oke, yang the left one. Ya, come on, Fahira. Getting harder, getting harder. Jangan-jangan nih wife-nya beda ya, beda ya. Nggak mau tadi soalnya. Yuk, Fakira, yuk. Langsung aja. What place did you finally found the foreigners? Masih di mute.
Okay. The location that my team and I visit for hunting foreigner were Keraton North Square of Yogyakarta and Taman Sari. But at the end we got foreigner in Taman Sari.
Finally, in Taman Sari, you found the foreigners. Okay. Who are they? Tell us about the foreigners. Nemu sapa iki? Ayo. Ibu-ibu, po bapak-bapak, po oma, opa. Ayo.
The foreigner I met is named Carla, and she is from Germany. Carla is a student at Gajah Mada University. She enjoys living Yogyakarta and has visited many places such as Prambanan, Borobudur, Malioboro, Taman Sari, and the Yogyakarta Palace. Carla, his hobby love traveling, and her favorite food is Magelangan. She particularly enjoys the local in Yogyakarta. In addition to her passion for travel, Carla also spends time with her friends exploring the city. She appreciates the friendly nature of the local people in Yogyakarta.
And then, how about the weather in Germany? Did you asking about the topic about weather and culture in Germany? What is the weather in Germany? Did you ask about the weather? Tanya cuaca.
Sorry, no miss.
Enggak. About the favorite food of Carla? Tanya enggak?
Yes. Favorite food is Carla Magelangan.
Magelangan, okay. Student of what kind of major? He studied in Jogja. Jurusannya apa? Tanya enggak? Enggak.
Sorry, miss.
Enggak adanya, ya wes. And then the last question, what is your feeling? How you overcome your nervousness? Yeah, what is your feeling after finish all the project?
My feeling, I'm happy.
I'm happy finally. Takut kalau nggak ketemu bule, Bu, gitu biasanya ya. Are you a little bit afraid? Sempat rasa takut nggak, afraid?
Yes.
Sometimes. Yang ditakutkan apa? What is you afraid for?
My language, apa ya?
They don't understand.
My language so bad.
Okay, so I think this is just insecure feeling. That finally, you found the foreigner is so kind, right? She understands you, right? Ya kan dia ngertiin
Yes.
kan? Ya udah gitu loh. There's nothing that you have, nothing you have to afraid for. Thank you, Pak Kirah dan Gendis ya. You can end the presentation. Udah kelar doang. Langsung aja.
Okay, Miss. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm here with my friends Putri Ayu. But first, my presentation first. Okay, let's get started.
Ya langsung tempatnya ya. Nemunya di mana? Siapa? Ngobrolin apa? Ya langsung.
I was looking for foreigners in Prawiro Taman on 15 October at 1 p.m.
Oke. Did you find it?
And
Not? Nemu ya, akhirnya nemu ya di Warawiro Taman. Finally you found the foreigners. Okay.
I found the foreigner. She is Femke in from the Netherlands, a 22-year-old fresh grad. We talk about how she will be in Indonesia until January, and I will talk about the culture Indonesia and Netherlands, and the food, the weather, and the currency. His favorite food in Indonesia, chicken noodles, typical food from the Netherlands, is bitterballen and croquettes. And the weather in Indonesia is very hot and very different from the Netherlands.
Okay. Wow, he's too young, 22 years old. Yeah. He's a college student, right? He's a college student. Mahasiswa bukan?
Fresh grads, and here a volunteer is a company like a UNICEF, Miss.
Oh, I see. Volunteer. Okay. Yeah. Next, what kind of
Okay.
another topic did you discuss?
Okay. From hunting these foreigners, I feel happy. This cool experience. It's a little nervous and but it's also a challenge. It's my hope. Hopefully, in this segment, I get an A plus.
Oh, okay. So which one are you in this picture with the pinky hijab in the left?
I'm wearing hat, Miss.
Oh, wearing hat. Sorry.
Yes.
Nurina ya, Nurina yang pakai topi. Femke with
Yes.
green tank top. And how about the left girl of Femke? Is she the best friends of Femke?
I'm sorry, Miss. The foreigners are interviewed is a friend. The foreigners interviewed by Putri Ayu, but I'm
Take pictures together.
ketuker gitu loh, Miss, namanya.
Oh alah, ya, it's okay.
Jadi harusnya
have-
saya yang Linda,
Huh?
tapi saya nulisnya Femke, soalnya kan ini temenan, Miss. Jadi saya
Yeah.
susah bedainnya saya sama temen saya.
Oh, you cannot identify which one is Femke.
Yes,
Okay, it's okay.
I'm sorry.
Okay, so this is the first foreigners you got it, or this is multiple times you got rejected, or what? What kinds of the project did you have? This is the first trial,
Yes,
and then
yes,
you got it.
yes, Miss. She is a very friendly, fun to talk and to kin.
Oh, baru sekali pertama menari langsung ketemu.
Mm-mm.
Okay. And how about your feeling when you finally end and finish the project?
From hunting the foreigners, I'm feel happy, even though I'm a little scared because I'm a little difficult if I speak in English. But alhamdulillah, I can overcome it and I'm happy, Miss.
Okay. What is the nationality of your foreigners? London, UK?
Netherlands, Miss.
Oh, Netherlands. Ya, biasanya Netherlands emang hobi jalan-jalan sih. Okay, thank you so much. Nurina ya.
Yeah, thank you,
Okay, next
Miss.
we have
Yeah.
Putri Ayu. Okay. Yo, Putri, yo. After that, we have the sixth group is Arini Indah ya. The next group is Arini Indah and partner. Habis Arini Pramita. Yo. Putri Ayu. Nak toh nek barengan ada temen iki enak.
Hello everyone. This afternoon I will present about hunting foreigners.
Yo. The same place, It Prawiro Taman.
Yeah. I was looking for foreigners at Prawiro Taman, Yogyakarta. This is the profile of the foreigners. She is she, she is a woman named Femke Lohwis. She is usually called Femka, and she is 22 years old. She comes from the Netherlands.
Mhm.
She is a new graduate and has been working at a company in the Netherlands.
Hmm.
During our conversation, we talked about Indonesian food like fried rice, satay, and tourism in Indonesia like Gunung Kidul Beach, Bali, Vredenburg Museum,
Hmm.
and we also talking about weather and culture in Indonesia.
Did you asking about some cultural in Germany and Netherlands? Sorry. Did you ask about
Such
the weather in Netherlands?
as cycling culture, Miss.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
And
Ya, putus-putus. Ya ilah, innalillahi. Ya udah, nggak apa-apa. Yang penting sudah terlihat, udah presentasi gitu ya. Nanti di video kita bisa nilai. Yes, nggak apa-apa, wes. Yuk, next ada Arini Indah. Arini.
Yes, Miss.
Tuh, sama siapa? Tivana Angelia ya.
Iya, sama Tivana.
Oke, langsung saja. Silakan. 6, tim 6. Tivana Insani Angelia, tim 6. Yuk, 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 yuk. Gimana yuk?
Hello everyone, I am Arini Indah Pitaloka and my team Tivana Insani Angelia Saputri. I would like to tell you about our chat with the bule at the Yogyakarta Kraton. Yogyakarta is special region in Indonesia that has a variety of
Pak,
the
skip
culture
aja.
and
Skip, skip. Langsung aja. Kamu nemu bule di mana? Bulenya siapa? Gitu. Wes langsung, cerita aja. Yang simpel-simpel aja.
Hmm.
Ah. I found the foreigners in mana? And he is.
Theo, he is from Australia.
Okay.
One of the place his visit was Karimun Jawa and Yogyakarta. What he likes about Yogyakarta is a place that still holds a lot of the history, culture, and very plain people. His favorite is the breakfast food in his hotel and soto.
Okay. Did you ask about culture in Australia? Did you asking about Australia? Anything information from Theo that you asked
No.
Australia? No. Okay.
No. No, Miss.
Enggak ya. Okay, next.
Enggak.
Silakan. How was your feeling? What was your feeling when you finished the project?
When I first met, I was happy and afraid of the big reject.
Oh, being rejected how many times? Lupa Miss, banyak gitu ya. Terlalu banyak.
Yes.
Sampai lupa. Oke. How you motivate yourself? Cara memotivasi diri gimana? Cara memotivasi dirimu sendiri gimana Mbak Arini? How you motivate yourself? Caranya gimana? Ya pokoknya saya
Looking for another bule.
Oh, I still looking another bule Miss. Oke, thank you so much. Mbak siapa lupa Arini ya. And next we have Tivana.
Yes.
Oke, thank you. Yo, Tivana. Jeblok iki. Mbak Tivana. Habis Tivana kita punya Pramita Dewi ya. Siap-siap. Dan partner Pramita Dewi Mentari. Siap-siap. Tim ke-7 ya. Kita ada 10 kelompok pokoknya hari ini. Supaya minggu depan juga selesai 10 kelompok. Jadi habis. Yuk. Eh. Visit.
I did hunting foreigners in two places, Kraton and Malioboro.
Ya.
Koran is originally from France. He came to Indonesia just for a holiday. One of the places he visited was Yogyakarta, Karimun Jawa, Malang, and Banyuwangi.
Oke.
It was his first time in Indonesia and he stayed in Indonesia for 1 month.
Wow, so
Her
long.
favorite food is fried rice.
France. Did you asking about France, about the weather, about the tourism object in France? Tanya-tanya tentang Prancis juga?
No, miss.
Enggak. Well. No, next. Oh, dapat 2. Do you found the 2 foreigners ya?
Yes.
Dapat 2 cowok semua ya? Ini lah cowok emang.
Iya.
Iya.
Yes, miss.
Biar semangat ya, Miss. Ya, lanjut
See what
dong. Dari Australia dapat 2 bagi-bagi. Yo, next. Why?
Max Curry is from Australia. He traveled to Indonesia just for a holiday. It was his first time coming on holiday to Indonesia. Special place he would like to visit while in Yogyakarta are Prambanan and Taman Sari. His favorite food is chicken satay, beef rendang, and pecel. He likes Indonesian because of the friendly people.
Oke. Tanya tentang Australia enggak?
No, miss.
Enggak penasaran. So, what is your feeling after you finish the project?
My first feeling was very nervous.
Very nervous at the first, and then after you finish, after you are editing the video, still nervous? After editing the video, Mbak Tivana, are you still nervous right now? Masih nervous nggak?
Yes, miss.
Iya. Santai aja ya Allah. Nanti latihan lagi ya. Please learn more about English ya. Jangan lupa, jangan ditinggalin. Thank you, Mbak Tivana dan Arini.
You, miss.
Ya, you can end or stop share-nya. Ada Mbak Pramita Dewi ya sebagai berikutnya. The next group. We have Pramita Dewi Mentari and partner. Apa partnernya Mbak Pramita? Who's your partner? Baiklah.
Hunting foreigners in Keraton of Yogyakarta. Foreigners profile. Foreigners name Bram. Country in dark. Favorite food in Indonesia. Fruit rich. A hobby reading a motorcycle. Next. Name Raina. Country in Netherlands. And in Indonesia. Borobudur.
Okay. So, another information from foreigners? Gak ada. Wes, feelingnya apa? What is your feeling after finish the project?
Nervous, miss.
Masih nervous?
Yes.
Masih. Mau sampai kapan? Masih mulu. Oke, thank you so much. Kalau nggak ada info, nanti kita cek hasil videonya ya. Sekarang next, Aprilia. Intan, waduh, topoki.
Okay. Hello, Miss.
Hai.
I have hunting foreigners in Keraton Yogyakarta, and I have 3 foreigners for my task.
Okay.
First,
Then?
her name is Lucy, and she is from France, and we talk about a reason for vacation in Yogyakarta, about famous food, famous destination, culture difference, and more.
Okay.
And I have an impression of her. She's kind, friendly, humble, fun, and has a lot of curiosity, which makes us talk a lot.
What is the famous food in France?
She said the famous food from France is croissant and pound of chocolate.
Okay. Croissant.
Croissant.
Yeah, croissant. Okay. And about the culture of France? Did you asking about the culture in France? What tourism object?
The difference kalau for objects kebetulan tidak tanya, tapi but for different cultures, Indonesians have many people kind and polite that be difference between Indonesian people and
Indonesian people are friendly. France not really friendly, like individualistic as a typical of European people. Yeah. Okay, next foreigners. Who is they?
Okay.
Who are they? Who are they?
Next, her name is Emily, and she's from France too. And we talk a lot about a reason for vacationing in Yogyakarta, cultural difference, favorite food, and favorite destinations, and more. And I have impressions of her. She's kind, friendly, humble, and fun. But when talking, the accent used is quite strong, so it causes a lot of misunderstanding.
Yeah, because the accent of English France is a little bit hard to understand, right? Okay, next.
Okay, from the third foreigner, Hans. He is from Germany, and Same as before, we talk a lot about reasons for vacationing in Yogyakarta, cultural difference, favorite food, favorite destinations, and more. And I have an impression of him. He's kind, friendly, humble, fun, and cool.
And what favorite food of people in Germany?
Favorite Indonesian favorite food or
Or favorite food in Germany? Did you asking about special food in Germany? Or maybe favorite destination, tourism in Germany?
I'm sorry, Miss, I didn't ask about her favorite food in
Okay.
in him country, but I just asked about Indonesian's favorite and Indonesian's favorite destinations.
Okay. Okay. And last, what is your feeling after you finishing all the projects?
For the first time, I just feel nervous, but now I just feel glad to meet they for talk about English conversation, and I hope I can it make my English skill be better.
Okay, thank you so much, Mbak. Siapa? Aprilia? Aprilia Intan.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, thank you. You can stop your share screen.
That the location of the Yogyakarta Pales name Mr. Kat comes from Texas, America.
Okay.
Mr. Kat come to Indonesia for holiday, especially in Yogyakarta. He spent quite a long time in Indonesia for 6 weeks. I've a friend named Johanna guest Mr. Kat come to the capital of Yogyakarta. When he first arrived in Jogja, he found a hotel in Jogja. Mr. Kat found a restaurant he called Restaurant Mediterranean by Camille. Mr. Kat like fried chicken and fried rice, nasi goreng.
Okay.
Yogyakarta is the fifth place that Mr. Kat has visited in Jogja. He has also watching the Ramayana Bell performance, visit Taman Sari Yogyakarta, and he really likes taking the train to the airport.
Okay. Oh, from America. From Texas, yeah?
Yes, Texas, America, moving to Mexico.
Okay, I see. So what is your feeling after finish the project?
Happy because Mr. Kat humoris.
Okay, he is humorous. Okay, when you are process, what is it, having progress during the project, do you have any challenges or maybe any obstacles? Kesulitannya apa selama progress during the project? Kesulitannya apa? What is your obstacles?
Speaking English, Miss.
Okay, in English. How to speak fluently itu ya tantangannya ya. Oke, thank you so much Mbak Novel. Selanjutnya kita punya partnernya Mbak Novel, Mbak Galuh. Yuk. Kemon. Waduh, tak ngabari kelas belah. Walah, artis. Travis Scott. Ini yang mana Mbak Galuh, yang mana nih? Nanti aku bingung membedakan di video.
Saya Miss.
Ya, yuk langsung. I found my name is Galuh, bla bla bla. I found my foreigners, gitu loh. Simple aja.
I, Galuh Daring Tias, will present my experience of hunting foreigners. My team and I went hunting for foreigners at the Yogyakarta place.
Hmm.
I interview a foreigner named Mr. Travis, who comes from Germany. He come to Indonesia because he has a business that produce furniture. Mr. Travis has lived in Yogyakarta for 3 years, so he can already speak Indonesian. Mr. Travis really likes the city of Yogyakarta because of its diverse culture such as traditional atmosphere, traditional band, and traditional dance. Mr. Travis doesn't like Jogja food because it's too sweet. He prefers Sunda's food. While in Indonesia, he visited many places such as the Place Museum in Jogja, Surabaya, Semarang, and even Gunung Kidul Beach.
Okay. Culinary
Mr. Travis said that Germany has culinary specials such as Saukes, various processed potatoes, and several variations of bread.
Okay. Aduh, how about the culture?
Germany has a lot of modern art, traditional painting, traditional music, and traditional dance. Germany also has an annual festival, which is a cultural specialty.
Yeah. And then, how about your feeling during finishing the project, during you are having progress?
I nervous and I very happy because Mr. Travis very handsome is.
Oh my God. Okay. So this is your motivations, yeah, one of your motivation to finish the project. Okay, thank you so much, Mbak Galuh and the partner. So you can stop the share screen-nya. Kita lanjutkan ke terakhir ya. Kita punya Mbak Fadira ya. Mbak Fadira ready? Mbak Fadira sama siapa Mbak? Aduh, aku keram nih tiba-tiba buset. Mbak Fadira sama siapa? Partnernya
Sama Kalista, Miss.
sama, aduh, bentar, saya catat. Sama
Kalista nomor 28.
Kalista Dinar.
Iya.
Oke, yuk. Mulai ya. Ready? Dapat.
Okay, hello everyone. My name is Fadia Levi. I want to tell you about my experience hunting foreigners at Malioboro Mall. So, his name was Drew. He is from Hamburg, Germany. He was on vacation with his wife. They have 2 children who are 15 years old and 13 years old. His favorite season in his country is spring. And we talked about where they go while in Indonesia. So this is their first time in Indonesia and they are vacationing for 2 days in Jakarta, 4 days in Jogja, then going to Bali and Lombok. They stay at hotel near Malioboro Mall. In Jogja, they visit Borobudur and Prambanan temples. We talk about favorite thing in Jogja, and he said the people because are very friendly. Because in Germany there are no friendly people.
Yakin? Are you sure no friendly people in Germany?
He said that, Miss.
Is it like that? Okay. Did you ask about food in Germany?
No, he just said in Germany food is more expensive than Jogja.
Yeah, of course lah ya. And then how about tourism
Yeah.
object? Did you ask about some recommendation tourism object if we visited Germany?
No, I don't ask that.
Okay. And then next, the information. What else? Aduh.
Yeah, he said in Jogja he also liked the food because it was cheap, and his favorite food was
Okay.
and
The fried duck
and
or the roasted one? Yang goreng apa yang rebus?
I don't know. He just said he liked
Yang
bebek.
penting bebek gitu ya. Okay.
Yeah,
Good experience.
and
What is it?
yeah, and I asked him about worst experience or culture shock in Jogja. There were no bad experience during his time in Jogja. The things that surprised him well in Jogja was the number of motorcycle, because in his country no one used motorbike as private vehicle. In Germany, motorcycle are usually only for food delivery.
You know why in European and in USA there's no motorcycle? Do you know?
I don't know, Miss.
Because the weather is quite freezing. You someone crazy
Oh yeah.
doing motorcycling outside the winter. So there is no recommendations. Using public transportation is the best ways options. Yeah. Okay. Next
Yeah.
questions.
Oh, this is our documentation.
Oh, he's with his wife.
Yeah.
Ah, I see. So this is your the last or the only foreigners you found it.
Yes, this is my last foreigner I found it.
So many times you got rejected?
Only once at
Only
Prawiro
once.
Taman.
At Prawiro Taman. And what is the
Yeah.
reason? What is the reason of the foreigners?
I don't know. She just walk away and say no.
Or say no. Okay, doesn't want to interrupt that has their
Yeah.
own privacy or maybe another schedule or else. So what is your feeling after finishing the projects and editing the video and finally you presenting it?
I'm so glad because I have finished my project, Miss.
Finally finish your project. Okay, thank you so much. Now your partner turn for presentations. Yo, partnernya. Duh, aku harus mulai nyut-nyutan nih, punggung. Siapa tuh? 10 ki Kalista ya. Tuh Kalista, I love you, I love you. Sandi. Wajah-wajah. Ini deh.
Oke, halo Miss.
Oh, mana ya orangnya? Dia. Which one are you? Gak kelihatan.
Oh,
Tulung.
wait.
Oh, biar nggak salah menilai. Aku nanti kan lihat video juga soalnya. Nah, tuh. Sip. Identifications word. Yuk. Kalista yuk.
Okay. Hello everyone, introducing me, Kalista Dinar, with student number 105. Wait.
Okay, it's okay. Yeah, what location are you finally found the foreigners? Prawiro Taman or Malioboro Mall? Ada deh. Oh, tanggal baru ya, barusan nih. The last minute.
Okay, Miss, I conducted a foreigner hunting activity at Prawiro Taman Street and Malioboro Mall on 19 October 2023. My first interview was with Mrs. Kamala from England at Jalan Prawiro Taman. We talk about the season in England, and she's like all the season in England and fruit
is the most favorite food during all the season. This is her second time visit Jogja, but the first time she has forgotten. Besides that, she said that she really likes fried rice, and she is very happy to be in Jogja because there are so many friendly people.
Okay. Did you ask him
Next,
about food in London, special food in London?
no, Miss.
Oke, wah siapa nih? Sebentar, tunggu sebentar. Ya udah, ada yang apa? Ini yang tinggal di sini, yang presentasi aja nggak apa-apa. Mungkin dosen yang lain sudah mau mulai, silakan bisa live ya, nggak apa-apa. Ini tinggal sisa kelompok 10 aja, Mbak Kalista juga. Nggak apa-apa wes, Mbak Kalista sama aku dulu. Ya, silakan boleh untuk live meeting ya, untuk lanjut ke kelas berikutnya. Silakan Mbak Kalista.
Okay. Next, I conducted a second interview because the time given for the first interview was not enough. The second interview with Mrs. Uli from Germany at Malioboro Mall. Mrs. Uli was on holiday in Jogja with her husband, Mr. Duck.
Oke, yang tadi
Uh,
the husband with you
yeah,
and the wife with you.
yes.
Okay, good job for your teamwork. And then,
She said that she was very happy to be in interview because the people were very friendly. She also appreciated my English skills and my partner. She said that she really liked lumpia,
okay,
which is very cheap and delicious. And Mrs. Uli also plans to go on holiday to Lombok, Bali, and some city in Java.
okay. So what is your feeling when you are asking them for the first time to have conversation? When you approaching Uli and her husband, what is your feeling when the first time you say hello and try to asking them interview to them? What is your feeling when the first time you want to ask them to help you have interview?
I feel nervous, Miss.
Nervous, and then after that, are you enjoying the process or still nervous until now?
I feel enjoy, Miss, because she's friendly too.
Okay, finally, the foreigners is comforting you and
Yes,
not having so much judging on us, right? And
yes, right, Miss.
they are so helping to you to have
Me and my partner.
yeah,
Okay, yes,
they really understand about you, all about the task, and you are still learning English, and they understand about it. See,
yes,
no something that you have to be afraid, right? Dia ngerti kok, biasanya bule kalau kita minta tolong untuk belajar, mereka menyesuaikan. They adaptable about that conditions. Okay, thank you so much, Mbak
Miss.
Karsta. Do you have any questions? Is it already submitted? Already submitted for your edit video?